Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with SoFi for account security and privacy settings. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the official SoFi website. Once the page loads, locate the Get Started or Sign Up button on the homepage. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Ensure that your password meets the security requirements outlined on the page. After entering your details, click on the Continue or Next button. Next, fill in the required personal information such as your full name, phone number, and address. Make sure to provide accurate information as this will be used for account verification. Once all details are filled in, click on the Continue button. You may be required to verify your email address at this stage. Check your email inbox for a message from SoFi and click on the verification link provided. After verifying your email, return to the SoFi website to continue setting up your account. You will then be asked to provide additional information regarding your financial situation. This may include details about your income and employment status. Make sure to fill in all fields accurately to ensure a smooth verification process. After completing the financial information, review all details you have provided. If everything looks correct, click on the Submit button to finalize your account registration. Now that your account is created, log in using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section, typically found in the top right corner. In the Account Settings, look for options labeled Privacy or Security Settings. Click on these options to begin adjusting your account security. You can enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. Follow the prompts to set up two-factor authentication via SMS or an authenticator app. Review your privacy settings and adjust who can see your information. Make sure to save any changes you make to your privacy and security settings. Finally, log out of your account when you are finished adjusting the settings. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with SoFi and enhanced your account security and privacy settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.